Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be showing you how to create a Discord bot in 2021. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you need is Visual Studio Code. You could download it by going to code.visualstudio.com. The link will be in the description. After you get there, click on the downloads bar and then choose whatever operating system you have. In my case, I have a Mac, so I will be clicking on the Mac downloads button. Okay, so if you don't know what Visual Studio Code is, it's an advanced code editor that compiles and debugs your code. It even has a built-in terminal to save the outputs. It is an advanced version of TextEdit on Mac or a advanced version of Notepad on Windows. Okay, so after you downloaded VS Code, go to nodejs.org and download the recommended for most users version. In my case, it's 14.15.4. And this is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. This is how the code in our bot is going to run on our Discord server. The next step is creating a folder on your desktop. I will name it Client. And you should open Terminal. Make it bigger and right here. So type in cd desktop, which CD means just to go into the desktop, and type cd client. CD client, like that. And now, because there's nothing in here, if you type ls, there's nothing in there. So we have to do this. We have to type npm init. It says this utility will walk you through a process of creating a package.json file, and package name, just name it client. Version, description, entry point. Now I will name this client.js, but you can name it whatever you want. You could even leave it as index.js. And test command, get repository, keywords, author, just do that. This is my IGN. And license, is this okay? Check it again. Click yes. Now we can open Visual Studio Code, and this is the home welcome page. So what you need to do is open folder, click on that, and click on where you created the folder on your desktop. I created client, press open. It's a bit laggy, and here we have client. We could see the package.json file. Now I have to click terminal, new terminal, and here it should load up any moment, and yes. So here type in npm install discord.js, and it's gonna install all the node modules and discord.js modules, and as you can see, node modules popped up here, and there's a bunch. Now we have to create a new file under client called client.js. This is whatever you named your main file. I named it as client.js, so from here this is client. Discord development portal. click on the link and click on applications. Click on new application and we can name it YT Demo Bot. Create. And we have to copy the client ID and go into bot. Now add bot. Yes, do it. And it says a wild bot has appeared. Now this is the YT Demo Bot and this is the icon. So the next thing we have to do is go to Discord permissions calculator, and I will be clicking all of these permissions. And now the bot will have all the permissions if you add the bot into the Discord server. So client ID, paste it, and click on the link. Click add to server, and I will be using YT test. Now check all the permissions and click authorize. Say I am human, and then it says author. So now I am in the YT test Discord server, and it says YT Demo Bot just showed up, and this is basically the confirmation. You want to do after you've opened the Visual Studio Code and created client.js, you want to do const discord equals require discord.js. Now this is basically getting the node modules and at discord.js modules from here to be able to access the bot. Now this is the first thing you want to do. The next thing you want to do, define the new client, which we could be doing using this command. Const client equals new Discord client partials message channel reaction. The next thing you want to add is const fs equals require fs. Now these are the three things that I think is necessary for you to create the bot and to make it able to run, except for the channel and reaction part. We have to do another thing, which is to send message into the terminal saying that the bot is online. So by doing so, we could say client.commands equals new Discord collection and client.once ready, and we're going to use a arrow function console.log the bot is online. And this arrow function is kind of like an if statement, I would say. Now I'm going to do a test command to see if the Discord bot actually works on the Discord server. So what we're going to do is we're going to type client.onMessage message arrow function, enter press, and we're going to do if message.content equals test, let's do an exclamation mark, then message.channel.send testing like so. So this basically means if I enter the command exclamation mark test, the bot will send back testing. At least we're going to get the token for the bot. The token is basically a login passcode for the bot to get online to the Discord server. So click copy. And one more thing, treat your token as a password. Do not tell anyone else what your token is. And if you think your token has been used, click on regenerate. Then click copy again. The last thing you want to do is type client.login, then paste your token in. For the sake of the video, I will show you the token, but of course I will regenerate the token afterwards, but do not show your token to anyone else. Now, if you type in node space dot in the terminal, enter, this message should pop up if you don't have any errors in your code. Now, you can go into Discord again. Type !test. YT demo bot should reply testing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked. Subscribe please if the button's still red. And I'll see you in the next video.